Observing what I'm observing from the days when I was just a child, innocent child, just innocent child, just an innocent child, innocent child, innocent child, innocence, innocence, misunderstood, from the place where they should. You up before they observe you and look at the gifts. But it was always torn apart without the teachings, what they never left us. They took it for themselves, but it still don't fit. Man, they shoot sides. I don't know if my soul might come in and might externalize. I see where I see lies, but I find truth in my heart. I live this from the start. Commence, so I see when every pussy nigga come in, feel like he can take my fire like a fucking water. Now I ain't emotional no more. I surface still without the board, eating Subway, wondering what they can sandwich my style single-handed. I do this, dog. I don't need a crowd, I don't need a wild. I like beating silence. Walk through the forest with a girl that's so divine, honest like Sarah. She was barren, now she releasing all the crabs out the barrel. I'm from foreign land, in this land that acknowledge something disparate, but they treat it like it's garbage. Whatever shelf they put me on, I see myself in my cell. That winter cell, this Chrysler, bounce fine, sing loud. The cheat got niggas in this calamity. I fight for my calmness into line to take that for weakness. Releasing stress cause I feel like Phoenix. All these nerves, I smoke my herbs. Look in the garden, I see something special. From this time they've taught me that I can do this shit. All them bullies just insecure, I showed them the cure. Thinking Peter showed like I'm a kid. Since 12 I was free, all the sins. Jah, I repent to you tonight, every night I pray. I pray why? Because sometimes my mistakes, I'm living life and eating steak. Just put us on my plate.